In this video, we're going to talk about how to reset a Frigidaire ice maker. So this is useful if it stops making ice, gets jammed, or shows an error. So the first thing you'll need to do is unplug the fridge from the wall outlet for about 5 minutes. So this clears the ice maker's control board. Plug it back in and see if the ice maker restarts. So on many Frigidaire models, the reset button is either under the ice tray, on the side of the ice maker, or on the control panel. So it's usually a small round button labeled reset or marked with a new arrow or with an arrow. Now, press and hold the button for 5 to 10 seconds until you hear a chime or the ice maker starts moving. That means it's cycling and has been reset. Now, if your model doesn't have a reset button, you can reset it by turning the ice maker on and off. Locate the power switch on the side of the ice maker, switch it off, wait for about 1 minute, and then turn it back on. After the resets, make sure the water line isn't kinked and that the water filter isn't clogged. A bad filter or flow or low water pressure will stop ice productions even after a reset. So take note of this. It can take 24 hours after resetting before you see a full bin of ice. And that's it. That's how you reset a Frigidaire ice maker. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.